In this lesson, we're going to look at the features of embedded systems. The key questions you need to take from this are: what is an embedded system and what are the features of an embedded system? I want you to watch the Craig and Dave video linked to this task, and while you're watching it, answer the two questions. What is an embedded system and what are the features of an embedded system? Please pause this video and complete this task. I want you to have a look at your answers and make sure you've included everything in this following slide. Now, an embedded system is usually a single microprocessor or microcontroller. So a microcontroller is an integrated memory unit. That includes RAM, ROM and CPU. They're usually small computers with usually a dedicated function, so that might be one function, such as a microwave. It has a simple user interface with just buttons and it can't be reprogrammed to do other things. Embedded systems usually have their memory built inside them, usually ROM. Read-only memory. It's got one task and that's unlikely to change, so we keep it as ROM. They're programmed using low-level languages such as assembly language. They have a very basic operating system. So we might think of a microwave with a very small display that we can see the number of seconds left. That's our user interface. It's not going to have an operating system such as Microsoft Windows. It's going to be command line based, so just a series of text. We might have sensors such as heat sensors. They generally take less power than a full computer and can be a lower cost because we can actually mass produce them. They are, however, harder to program. Your final task for this lesson is to find this page in your workbook and delete any devices which you think are not embedded systems so that you have a list of embedded systems. Do that now. Please pause the video, then we'll have a look at the answers. Okay, so you should have definitely deleted mouse and keyboard. There's no kind of memory units in those, so we can delete them. Now, our watch, our coffee maker, our speed camera, they've all probably got memory in them. If you're caught driving by a speed camera, it's going to have to take a picture and remember that so that you can be prosecuted. They've also got single functions. They can't be used for anything else. A washing machine and a microwave are similar, and they are both embedded systems, as well as traffic lights and a security camera. Now, if we look in the centre, the laptop and the mobile phone have multiple uses. We can use them as a camera. We can use them as for social media. So we can use different programs on them. So they are not embedded systems.